Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing how I did this very natural, simple makeup look. I have been kind of like a no fuss, no muss kind of person when it comes to my makeup lately. Another great thing about this tutorial is all of the products that I use are drugstore products, specifically all Revlon products. And I just want to say thank you to the Revlon team for sponsoring today's video. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet and click on that notification bell symbol so you can get notified when my next upload is, and so we can get to know each other a little bit better. With that said, let's just go right ahead and start the tutorial. Starting with my base, I'm applying the Revlon PhotoReady Pore Reducing Primer to fill in my pores for a smooth canvas for my foundation. I like to apply this by gently sweeping and patting it on my face. For my foundation, I'm using the Revlon Colorstay Oily and Combination Makeup Foundation in Warm Golden. I'm dispensing about 2 pumps of this foundation on the back of my hand first and then buffing it on with a brush onto my face. I really like the coverage and how matte this foundation looks on my skin after applying it because it doesn't look cakey. To help my eyeshadow last longer, I'm applying the Revlon Colorstay Eyeshadow Primer onto my lids. Before starting on my eye makeup, I actually like to do my brows first, and I prefer my brows to look full and thick for a more youthful look. So I'm taking my Revlon Colorstay Brow Pencil in Soft Black to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. I like to start from the bottom of my eyebrows using light feathery strokes when I'm filling them in and then extending it out onto the tail end. This eyebrow pencil does a great job of holding the hair down in place, and I also found that the pigment of this eyebrow pencil stays put and lasts throughout the day, especially in the bald areas of my brows where it need the most help. Once I'm done filling in my brows, I take the spoolie on the other end to brush it and blend it out. To add a bit of dimension and fuller brows, I'm applying the Revlon Colorstay Brow Mousse in Soft Brown. I went a shade lighter with the brow mousse so that my brows don't look too flat or too stark on my face. This product is great if you have a lot of eyebrow hair like I do. I only do a half twist on the base of the pen, which is more than enough to dispense product for each brow, and then I just brush the mousse over onto my brows to add tint and fullness. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm going to take the Revlon Colorstay Eyeshadow Quad in Adventurous and sweep the dark brown matte eyeshadow onto my crease and outer V using a blending brush to add some depth to my eyes. Next, using my Revlon All Over Shadow brush and this beautiful muted coppery brown eyeshadow, I'm applying this onto my lids as my wash of color. Then I'm highlighting my brow bone area with this duochrome ivory color from the Eyeshadow Quad. Before I apply any mascara or eyeliner, I like to curl my lashes first. So here I am curling them. So to line my eyes, I'm using the Revlon Colorstay Exactify Liquid Liner in Sparkling Black. This liner is actually pretty cool because it has this wheel tip applicator that helps you apply a very smooth and precise line. It also made it easier for me to get that very thin line over my lashes and a straight edge for my cat eye. If you want to steady your hand while applying your eyeliner, try to rest your pinky on your cheek as you glide your eyeliner on your lash line. And I like how the sparkling black also has these micro glitters on it, which also helps brighten the eye area as the light hits the shimmery particles. For my mascara, I'm using the Revlon Volume and Length Magnified Mascara and applying 2 coats onto my lashes, and then I'm lightly lining the outer bottom lash line with the Colorstay Eyeliner in brown to really open up my eyes. To contour and add some warmth back to my face, I am taking the Revlon Powder Matte Blush in Bronze Beauty and applying this with the Revlon Contour Brush on the hollow areas of my cheeks and hairline. For my cheek color, I'm applying the Powder Matte Blush in Rosy Rendezvous for a natural flush on my cheeks. And lastly, for my lips, I'm wearing the Ultra HD Gel Lip Color in HD Dawn for a my lips but better color and to complete this look. So that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video before you leave and check out the description box down below for more information and product links on all of the products that I've used in this video. And again, thank you so much to Revlon for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me again. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on that subscribe button down below. I hope to see you guys again soon. Until then, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!